Mary?
In this video we are going to go down the memory lane and once again enjoy the greatest scenes of classic American soap opera from the 80s Santa Barbara. It was hugely popular in Russia in 90s and I personally grew up watching it. This top 10 list was built according to my memories and my taste, but I sincerely hope that this will bring back lots of great memories for you too, because when this soap was on, life was simpler, so many loved ones were still alive and watching every single episode was a warm family experience. Not to mention that the next day at school basically everybody was discussing yesterday's episode. These were the days. So let's start. Number 10. This is a scene from 1985. Gina is played by Linda Gibney and Cece is played by Charles Bateman. Cece falls into coma here after suffering a heart attack. He is about to sign the papers, thus leaving Gina without anything, but his manipulative and calculating almost ex-wife literally pushes him to the edge and he collapses. This is classic Santa Barbara at its finest. The music. The built-up to this climax where Cece realizes what a woman he has married, and the ultimate coma saga which is going to last for months. Eventually Cece is going to wake up, and from that moment the patriarch of the show will be played by Jed Allen. Number 9.
I hate these machines, Daddy. I really hate them, you know. They just keep going on and on. They don't care about the pain, the hopelessness.
This is a continuation of the coma storyline. Gina drugs Eden, thus leading her to believe that it was Cece's will for his life to be taken away by his beloved daughter Eden. Drugged Eden falls into her trap and tries to pull the plug from Cece's life support system. But she fails. She simply passes out. Gina is forced to finish the job herself. To be honest, this scene still gives me goosebumps. I especially enjoy the music here. Let's just enjoy it one more time.
Pull it! You know you want to. So do it, Eden. Do it. Go ahead. Did you move or... No, did I imagine it? Can you see me? Goodbye, Cece. I'll see you in hell. It's over.
Number 8.
You want everything I own, is that it?
This is 1986 and Cece wakes up from his coma. He is now played by Jed Allen, and he throws Gina out of the Capwell mansion. Gina, played here by Robin Matson, gives back everything, including the clothes she is wearing. I love this scene because the Capwell siblings, Mason, Eden, Kelly and Ted, are all together here, and Gina, well, she is just brilliantly portrayed by Robin Matson. And the music. The music is great, as always.
And you can have this, and this, and this. Now you have everything. Everything except for me and my son. And you're going to wish that you had given me what I wanted in the first place. Because it's going to be a lot less than what I'm going to take from you now. I'm gonna take everything any of you has ever loved. You hear me, Cece?
Number 7.
I thought you would be better off.
Don't you dare make it out an act of mercy. It was a cold-blooded act of attempted murder. The plans, pains you took to frame Eden.
Also 1986. Kirk tries to kill Gina and tries to kill Eden, but Cruz of course saves her. Gina confesses to Capwell that it was her who set up Eden with Cece's life support system, and Eden realizes that Kirk was after her all this time even though he kept claiming that he loved her. This is the end of the Aqualand episodes where Kirk is chasing Eden. He is neutralized by Cruz and Eden lets it all out. Again, great scene with lots of interaction between the couples. And again, great background music.
Eden, I can't expect you to understand, but I am so sorry. God, if I could only get you to believe that.
And you knew. You knew all along that it wasn't me, and you let me believe that I was the one who did it. Every time you wanted me to think that you were the only one that understood, the only one that protected me. I was totally dependent on you. I was this frightened, helpless wife. And when you thought I was getting too confident, you sent me blackmail notes, right? Oh, what a stroke of genius. Make me too frightened and then keep coming to my rescue. After all, what's a loving husband for? Right?
Number 6.
We found her. The woman with the veil.
Please state your name.
Pamela, Capwell, Conrad.
Pamela Capel Conrad, Cece's ex-wife and Mason's mother, was present in the series from the very beginning. Off-screen of course. So when she appeared in Santa Barbara, that was the episode not to miss. Here she is played by Shirley Ann Field.
One other reason why you came back to Santa Barbara, wasn't there?
I said my children. I have 2 sons. I also have a daughter. I had a daughter. Her name was Elena Nicholas.
Mrs. Conrad.
Number 5.
Eden? Eden, I know you're there. Come back to me, baby. It's your mama. I'm gonna take care of you. Everything's gonna be all right.
I already told you. Eden's not here.
She's standing right in front of me.
This is 1991. Marcy Walker is leaving Santa Barbara with the storyline not to miss. She has had 4 personalities: Eden, Channing, killed by Sophia at the premise of the show, Lisa, Eden's alter ego, and Suzanne, the painter Eden invented in order to stay in town. Finally all the hell breaks loose and Eden is ready to kill her own mother, whom she is unconsciously blaming, well, pretty much for everything. I know many fans dislike this storyline, but in my opinion this was a great exit for a legendary character.
Channing, let her go.
I have an idea. Did you mean what you said about helping her earlier?
Yes.
Then take her place. If I kill you, I can't let Eden go. I'll hold your hand. You can close your eyes. I promise it won't hurt. And then I can let Eden go free.
No!
Oh, I knew it. I knew
You didn't mean what you said about sparing Eden. It's just a lot of talk. You killed her. You couldn't save her. You can't save yourself. Goodbye, Mama.
Number 4. This is not a single episode, but rather a compilation of different scenes from different seasons of Santa Barbara. But they all have one great thing in common: interaction between Capwell siblings.
We loved you.
Creators of this show were amazing in showing the brotherly-sisterly bond between Mason and Eden and Kelly and Ted, and they kept doing it throughout the years. For example, in this scene, Eden is just back from the dead after Utah's storyline. She cannot walk and is ashamed. Kelly, played by Robin Wright, is trying to break the wall that Eden built for Cruz.
Eden, he loves you. Can't you see that? Can't you look in his eyes and see how much love there is?
Cruz, will you go, please? Kelly doesn't know what she's talking about.
The hell I don't! Did anyone tell you about your memorial service, Eden? How we were all so torn up with grief, Daddy could barely even talk? And then when Cruz spoke, because of what he said about you and because of the way he said it, we all realized that even though what had happened to you, you had been blessed. You had been loved. The way most people dream about. He loved you so much that a part of him died when he thought you died. A part of me has died. You guys have each other. This is the most important thing right now. Help me, Kelly. I am helping you. I'm not strong enough. I'm helping you. You tell him.
Later on, Kelly and Eden switch places. Now it is Kelly, played by Carrington Garland, who is not able to walk, and her elder sister Eden is reaching out for her.
So you know what happens? It's the ultimate joke. You're in bed with a man that you love, and there's not a damn thing you can do about it. Stop it, Eden. I'm not gonna stop it. I'm not gonna
Why are you saying these things? You are thinking these things, and I want you to admit them to me. I have gone through it myself, Kelly, for God's sakes. I am reaching out to you. I am asking you, please, please let me help you. No, Eden. I hate you. Why do you hate me? I hate you. I'm telling you the truth. You don't hate me. Get out. Get out of my house. I'm not getting out of your house. I am moving into your house. No.
Yes. There's not a thing you can do about it.
One of the greatest interaction scenes between Eden and Mason is after Eden had been raped. It is Mason who finds the right words to support her.
It makes me ashamed to be a man when I think about what he did to you. This isn't the way the world is supposed to be.
I love you, Mason. I love my family very much. Knowing that you're all here really means a lot to me. Daddy, he asked me if I wanted to go on a trip. I said no. I just want to, be around all of you guys and see you and really just hear your voices and really know that the way I feel right now is not gonna be the way I always feel. You know?
And one more scene is when Mason is presumed dead, and Eden is telling Cruz how much she is going to miss her elder brother.
He was my big brother. I mean, whenever I didn't think he was there for me, he was always there for me. I'm gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss him so much. There's nothing any of us can do.
Number 3. Eden's Rape. This was a breakthrough episode for the daytime genre. Marcy Walker got an Emmy for this. It is impossible to imagine that scene of this level could be aired today on daytime TV.
The assailant's gone, sir.
I was raped in there.
Number 2. This scene speaks for itself. Mary's death.
If you want to be loved, you have to be quiet. Like you can't disagree with anybody. You can't stand up for yourself or they won't love you anymore. I've been that way with my parents. I've been that way with my church. But I'm not going to be that way anymore. No more.
Mary, don't even think about letting go. You gotta hold on. Mary.
Mary and Mason were one of the super couples of the show, and killing such a beloved character as Mary was one of the biggest mistakes done by writers of Santa Barbara.
I'll always be with you.
The only thing I ever did right in my whole life was loving you.
I know. It's okay.
No. Hang on, the ambulance is coming.
Don't worry about that. Doesn't matter.
Don't say that.
Always remember how much I love
you. Mary? Mary, don't go. Oh, God. Please don't go. Oh, dear. Don't go. I love you. She'll be all right. We'll get her the best equipment. Thanks. No, don't say that. She's not. Accept the fact she's gone. I won't! She's not gone. Mason. She's all right. I love you. I'll be for you. I'll be for you.
Number 1. Eden's return from the dead. Her comeback from Utah to Santa Barbara is truly epic. The music, the reaction of Cruz, reaction of Cece when he sees his beloved daughter for the first time, all of this still gives goosebumps.
what is it? What's the matter?
No, it wasn't supposed to be like this.
Look at me! Don't touch him. Don't even move. Oh, you think...
No, don't kill him! Kane!
Come on, then.
No.
Come now.
I can't
Yes,
move.
you can.
No! Kane! Are you crazy?
I'm not the one who's crazy.
I'm begging you. Please let me go.
No, you're coming with me now. Everybody!
Please let me go.
Nobody move! I'll kill her. I swear to God, I'll kill her.
Kane! Kane!
What the? Where is she? He's got a gun, Cruz. Get the hell out of my way. He's got a gun! Stop! I'll kill her. I swear to God, I'll kill her. And after I kill her, I'll kill you. Because I got nothing else to live for. Nothing!
No, Bruce, wait!
Get the hell out of my way!
I think maybe you'd better do something about that air conditioning system. Those upper floors are like a furnace.
Don't even try it! God. You stay back! Get away from her! Stop, man! I'll kill her! I'll hurt her! You back off or she's dead! You let her go. She's coming with me! Just shut up! Just back off!
No! Daddy! No! No! Daddy!
Don't even try it!
Daddy!
What are your favorite moments from Santa Barbara? Share yours in the comments. And hope to see you guys in the next video.